Hey there. Want to start investing for a child's future? Opening a Schwab account for a minor, like a UTMA/UGMA, is a fantastic way to give them a head start with gifts or earned income. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. As the adult custodian, you'll open the account. On Schwab.com, select to open a new account and choose UTMA/UGMA, Uniform Transfers/Gifts to Minors Act. You'll need the child's social security number and your own information as the custodian. Once open, you manage the account fully until the child reaches the age of majority, 18 or 21, depending on your state. The assets are irrevocably gifted to the child. My crucial pro tip? Invest in a low-cost, broad market index fund. Since this is a long-term account, consider a fund like SWTSX, Schwab Total Stock Market Index Fund. It provides automatic diversification and has an extremely low fee, allowing the gift to grow maximally over time. That's how you create a meaningful financial legacy for the next generation. What's the best financial gift or lesson you received as a young person? Share your story below. For more guides on family finance, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.